Got all thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualifying match number 10 of 90 now underway in autonomous. They can score anywhere from 3 to 7 points as we see. Placing Coral high atop the reef worth 7. Dropping it into trough worth 3. Moving off the starting line worth 3 as well. It's 22-9 in favor of the Red Alliance as 2 minutes and 15 seconds now are controlled by the human players. A lot of action, a lot of scoring potential. Our high score for the event so far, 185. 185, the world high score is 250 right now. We can beat that here this weekend with the teams that we have here in the districts in Georgia. 94-80, they're at the Coral zone, receiving Coral down the chute from the human player, taking it to the reef, scoring it high atop the reef. If they're successful, that'll be worth 5 points, as they did right then. It's 52-19. The Techno squad pulling algae off of the reef. Their alliance partner on the opposite side of the reef doing the same thing, pulling algae off the reef, trying to get that to where they can process it. 94-80, scoring high atop the reef for 5 points. That was the Gear Bears with their Sea Friend Bear. 8:32, Oscar dancing around with 33-18, trying to keep them from gaining those Coral points. 2 to 5 points now in autonomous. Not in autonomous, in Telia. There's 2 points by 33-18, the Robo Dragons scoring it in the trough as 68-29 has Coral in their possession. They're going high atop the reef. They're dropping back down. They're getting into possession. The currents are giving them a hard time as the Coral falls out of their possession down the trench sidewall. 16-83, the Techno Titans scoring on the middle branch. That's worth 4 points. As now 68-29 races across the ocean floor as Oscar lifting themselves up off the ocean floor as we approach 30 seconds now. 68-29. That's the Ignite Robotics. They're at the barge zone. They're parked underneath the barge zone. If they lift themselves up, that'll be worth 12 more points as they try to inch close to the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance bots underneath the barge, parking themselves. That'll be worth 2 points apiece right there, unless 16-83 in the last seconds can lift themselves off for 12. They can also gain a ranking point, it looks like, as the bar. 94-80 coming off the ocean floor as well. That's worth 12 points. However, they cannot be touching or supported by another bot. 94-80 could be close to that, but we'll let the referees make that determination. And then we'll see what the final score is and any ranking points that are awarded when the fish swim one more time in the ocean along the reef that's been rebuilt by the teams here at Mercer University in Macon, Georgia. All right, here we go in match number 10. The fish that are going to be swimming on the reef are red in color, indicating the Red Alliance was victorious in that match. We have a score of 121-15. As the Red Alliance had 16 barge points to the Blue 6. The Red Alliance gained 6 ranking points for that match. 3 for the victory, 1 for the barge, 1 for coral, and 1 for autonomous. As all the Alliance members move up in the standings.